Good afternoon, fitness family. Just very excited. I'm going to be working out. The weather is so beautiful. Look at the beautiful park. Are you ready to work out? Come on, put on a smile. Working out is so good. It's fun. It brings life. It's a blessing from God. Welcome. I'm going to be working on the waistline. The waistline. We need to work on this waist and the legs. Okay. Here we go. Put your legs straight. And then you lift your legs for a minute. Make sure you lift your hips, everything. If you can't do this, there are other ways you can work out. You can put your legs down and then you lift your legs up, your calves up. Okay. Okay. You can even do this one. Wow, okay, here we go. You can. There are some dogs running around. The dogs are also working out. Okay. Okay, let's work on the other side. Work on this other side. Okay, here we go. Okay. Make sure you lift your arm up. We are working on the waistline. And then you can go like this. It's not easy, but it works. I feel pain around my waistline. And you can still do it again. You can go this side again. You put your arm down and then make sure you lift this bit up. Okay? Okay. When you finish that, it's not the end of the story. See, the dogs are working out. You have also to work out.
Good for you.
Yeah, it's good. You can walk your dogs like this. Wonderful ladies, they are walking their dogs. The dogs are working out. So
Yeah, but they don't go fast
please
enough.
work out.
You have to have a big one that moves.
Yeah. Okay, ladies, enjoy your day.
Half a calorie.
Yeah. And then you can jump around. If you can't go in the park, you have kids. Imagine this is your sitting room. You can jump around. You can jump around. You can jump around. Or lift your legs up.
Very nice body.
Thank you. Thank you. Or you can go. Or you can